Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something crucial to talk about safety. We're unboxing and reviewing the GZAIR Carbon Monoxide Detector, a small but mighty device designed to keep you and your loved ones safe from the silent threat of carbon monoxide. Let's dive right in. All right, let's start with the unboxing. As we open the package, you'll notice that the GZAIR Carbon Monoxide Detector is compact and lightweight, weighing in at just 2 ounces. It comes with a 3M stick-on mount for easy installation and a convenient lanyard for on-the-go use. Inside the box, we find the detector itself, a user manual with clear instructions and a set of batteries. It's always great to see that they've included the batteries, no need to hunt for them separately. Now, let's talk about the key features of this detector. First and foremost, it's equipped with an advanced Nemoto electrochemical carbon monoxide sensor, known for its accuracy in detecting carbon monoxide levels. Safety is all about precision, and this sensor has got you covered. One of the standout features is the real-time CO reading display. With a quick glance, you can see the current carbon monoxide levels in your environment. That's invaluable information for your safety. And when it detects potentially harmful CO concentrations, you'll be alerted by a red LED light and a 70 decibel buzzer alarm, audible at 1 meter. Your safety is the top priority here. Operating the GZAIR Carbon Monoxide Detector is a breeze with its simple one-button operation. It's user-friendly and perfect for everyone in the family. And here's a bonus: the GZAIR Carbon Monoxide Detector offers continuous 9-month runtime with the same set of batteries. That's impressive longevity, giving you peace of mind for an extended period.